In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print poster size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed to turn a regular PDF into a large, multi-page poster, Acrobat Pro DC makes it straightforward with its poster printing feature. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Then go to File and choose Print to open the print dialog. In the section labeled Page Sizing and Handling, click the option called Poster. This is the key setting that tiles your single large page across multiple sheets of paper, so you can assemble them into a full-size poster. Next, adjust the tile scale. This controls the overall size of your poster relative to the original PDF. A larger percentage increases the size. For example, setting it to 200% doubles the dimensions and spreads the artwork across more sheets. As you change this number, keep an eye on the preview on the right. It updates in real time and shows you exactly how many pages the poster will use and how they'll be arranged. Now set the overlap. Overlap adds a small margin anywhere from 0.005 to 1 inch around each tile, so you have extra area for trimming and taping. A slightly larger overlap, like a quarter to half an inch, often gives you more room to work and makes alignment easier. Again, watch the preview to confirm the overlap is visible around each tile. For cleaner assembly, enable cut marks. These print small guide marks at the edges of each tile, helping you trim precisely and line everything up. If you want an easy reference while piecing the poster together, turn on labels as well. Labels add the file name and page number to each tile, which can be helpful for keeping order. You can trim these off later if you prefer a clean edge. If your document has a mix of page sizes, consider checking tile only large pages. With this on, Acrobat will only tile pages that are bigger than your paper size, and it will leave smaller pages unchanged. Before printing, carefully review the preview. Look for clear tile boundaries, visible overlap, and the placement of cut marks and labels. The overlap and the unprinted margins from your printer effectively create a border that makes trimming and taping more forgiving. So make sure it looks comfortable for assembly. Once everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and print. After printing, you can trim along the cut marks. Align the overlapping edges and tape the tiles together to complete your poster. That's it. Thanks for watching.